Welcome to day 5 of our Day in the Life series at Fox Valley Bikes. Today we're tackling something a bit more involved, a bottom bracket replacement. The customer brought this bike in after feeling a knot through the pedals. Sure enough, there's movement in the crank and some creaking, classic signs of a worn-out bottom bracket. The first step is removing the crank arms to access the bottom bracket. It's always a good idea to inspect the spindle and crank interfaces while you're here. If there's any damage or wear, it's worth cleaning up or replacing parts as needed. With the cranks off, we use the correct tool to unscrew the bottom bracket. This one's been in there a while, there's some corrosion and grit around the threads, so we'll give the bottom bracket shell a proper clean. A quick wire brush and degreaser sort out the frame threads, then we apply fresh grease to help prevent any seizing. Next we fit a new bottom bracket, the same type and a good quality unit. We thread it in carefully and torque it to the correct specification. With the new bottom bracket installed, the cranks go back on and are torqued down snug. Another job complete, and another bike ready to roll. That wraps up day 5. See you tomorrow for the next job at Fox Valley Bikes.